Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a video of actually 2 days of cleaning motivation for you guys. So in the first day, I'm going to be cleaning the living room, and then in the next day, you're going to be seeing me clean the kitchen. The living room wasn't too horrible. There was just stuff everywhere because my kids have been out of school, but now the kitchen is a different story, and I will have a timestamp down below in the description when the kitchen clean starts. That way, if you're more interested in seeing a kitchen clean with me, that timestamp will be down below in the description. If you are new here to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and stick around for more videos. I have cleaning, what's for dinner, what's for dessert, and a little bit of vlogs here and there. We are a family of 5. We have 3 girls and we also have 2 dogs. So you will see dog toys all over my floor at all times. The dog always makes more of a mess than the kids do. And that also means I'm vacuuming 24/7. Every time I post a video or a picture, I get a question about the rug here in our living room, and this is actually from Lowe's. This is a 5 by 8 foot rug, and they have them online all the time and in the store all the time. I think this is just one that they have, so you should be able to get your hands on this if you're wanting it. My furniture is from Big Lots, and the flooring that you're looking at, we actually just done this, and we done it ourselves, and we got the vinyl flooring from Home Depot. I do also get questions about my fireplace, and this came from Big Lots. Our house is on a private gravel road, and it is actually pretty close to the road, and so it is very dusty around here, so I'm constantly dusting. So we have that on top of pet hair, and I'm super weird about people coming over and getting pet hair on them. I do not like it, so I'm always dusting, always vacuuming and sweeping. There was a little random dog that came up, and so of course they had to look out the door and watch for the little dog out there because our dogs are also out there playing. But I wanted to tell you guys that this is the 0M Shark. Now mine does plug into the wall. I wanted one that plugs in because when I vacuum, it takes me a lot longer than the vacuums with the batteries will hold up. But this is the very best vacuum that I have found for hair, pet hair, human hair, whatever. It has like these bristles that are a brush, but it also has rubber, and so hair never ever gets trapped in the little spinning thing of this vacuum. Never. I've had this vacuum for over a year now, and I've never had to clean hair out of it. It works amazingly. I'm a total Shark fan. So if you have pets and you're having issues with hair and always having to clean out your vacuum, I highly recommend this one. I will actually leave it linked down below. You can click on where it says my Amazon favorites, and I will have it there for you guys. And again, if you're new here, this little girl that you see on the screen now, this is Molly. This is our youngest daughter. And I'm just going to stand on the couch like a savage. But when I tell y'all the dog hair is real, it is really real. Our Border Collie has a lot of white on her. And so white with this gray couch, you can see everything. And now it is the next day, and I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen up. Now, I did clean the kitchen up on yesterday as well, but this is just a different filming day, and clearly I did not clean it up the night before. So I woke up this morning and started cleaning. This is what my real kitchen looks like after we've had dinner, after we've just been in the kitchen. So I have 3 rules for myself every day that help me stay motivated and help me stay on top of cleaning, and that is dishes, floors, and laundry. That is something that I have to do every single day. Now, laundry, I can skip a day sometimes if I'm not feeling well, but normally I need to do it every single day to keep up with it. Like I said, we are a family of 5, but my husband has work clothes. He has EMT clothes, he has gym clothes, and then he has the clothes that he likes to come home and put on after he's showered. So many clothes. And then I have a daughter that likes to put clothes in her closet floor, and I don't know if they're clean or dirty, so I'm having to wash them because I'm not going to put her in dirty clothes. If any of y'all have any kids like that, please let me know down below in the comments that I'm not alone. I'm washing clothes. I don't know if they're clean or dirty. Drives me crazy. Another thing I want to mention to you all in this video is this sponge that I'm using. It's called a Scrub Daddy, and I'm sure most of you have heard of one. I've never had one until now. I got it for Christmas from my mother-in-law. A Scrub Daddy is a sponge with a smiley face, but they come in different colors. I have a yellow one right here. The reason why this thing is so incredible is because you can put it in the dishwasher and wash it. It's just like a regular sponge, but like kind of hard, but it's not going to scratch anything. But the coolest part is you wet it with cold water and it's hard. You wet it with warm water and it's really soft. So these are the coolest. You can buy a pack, you can just buy one, or you can buy a pack of 3, which have 3 different colors. And then you can use one for dishes, one for your shower, one for, something else. And that way you won't mix up your colors, because you obviously don't want to use your dish sponge in your shower. That would be disgusting. But you can put them in the dishwasher and everything. I'm going to link these also in my Amazon, because I'm telling you, if you haven't used them, you need them. They're amazing. Also, I'm just scrubbing the countertop down with warm water and soap to begin with, and then I wipe that down, and then I spray Lysol. Lysol and Clorox are how you're going to keep the flu, strep throat, all of those things out of your house. I know a lot of people like to use only plant-based cleaning items, and you can use vinegar for things like that too, but I really believe in using some Lysol to kill some germs. Look at these cute little vinegar and oil glass bottles that I found at Dollar Tree, y'all. They had a lot of them. They also have ones that don't have any sayings on them. They're just plain. So you could put your own logos on there and put whatever you want in there. But I think they're adorable. They work really well too for just $1. And here I go again with the Scrub Daddy. Now this thing cleans your smooth top stove really well. So you use cold water on it to make it kind of hard, but it's not really abrasive, so it's not going to leave any scratches, but it's going to clean off any of that stuck on food that you have. Then I just wipe that down really good, and then I go back in with my Lysol to make sure I'm killing any germs from any meats or anything that was up there, and it's just as good as new, y'all. Do not forget to wash the handles of your pot. You know, if you've been here for a long time and you're an OG subscriber, you know how I feel about watching cleaning videos where people wash dishes and they don't wash the handles of their pots. It is yuck nasty. Make sure you're doing that. And what you should always do when you're done with all of that is clean out your sink. And I just wanted to say that I know my sink looks a little dirty in the bottom, but it's not, I promise. I Clorox it all the time and scrub it. For some reason, this sink got some scratches and some really deep like spores and stuff in it. And so for some reason, it's turning a dark color. We do plan to replace this sink at some point, hopefully soon. Sinks are kind of expensive, so still on the lookout for the right one for the right price. But the sink is not dirty. It just looks a little crazy. But here in just a second, I'm going to show you that I do put Clorox in the sink every time after I clean it out, and it does help with those dark spots, but they're never completely gone. A lot of people ask me about having a glass tabletop, how I like it. Doesn't it get dirty and fingerprints and stuff? And honestly, no, it doesn't really get that dirty that often. There's not that many fingerprints on it or anything. I don't even have to wipe it down every single day. Like I have to dust the crumbs away, you know, and just kind of do a little sweep. But I don't have to use glass cleaner on it every day or anything like that. I don't know why, but this has just been a great table. We got this table at Big Lots about probably 5 years ago, but even when the kids were little, it didn't have that many fingerprints. I don't know how, maybe I just got super lucky, but I love this table. And then the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and vacuum over the floor really quick. I did not have to mop this day because I just mopped 2 days ago, and I don't have to mop that often. My kids aren't little. They don't have little spills anymore. I do have dogs, so I use my Swiffer just to go over any spots. But to do like mopping with my cedar mop, I don't do that, but probably once a week, maybe even a little longer. That might be shameful, but that's the truth. And I do love my cedar mop. It's the spin mop. I highly recommend that too. If you don't have one, I got my mom one for Christmas. Adore it. I'll have that linked in my Amazon cart, or in my Amazon store as well, if you don't know what that is. But now I'm just going along the edges, getting all the crumbs up, and this is what the kitchen looks like. So much better. There's nothing better than a clean kitchen. Thank you all so much for watching. We appreciate you very much. We hope you'll stick around for the next video, and we'll see you then. Bye.